Nature truly creates miracles when we nurture it with patience and love. Sometimes the most beautiful things in the nature start from the smallest effort. I began with a simple pot filled with soil. I gently softened the soil, breaking all the hard clumps so the roots could breathe and grow freely. Then I added a special nature mix to make the soil rich and alive. Fresh lemon juice, finely chopped garlic, and pinch of fertilizers and crushed eggshells, natural nutrients. I cut garlic softly and mixed it, and now I added fertilizers in the soil. These are eggshells. I crush eggshell and crush it softly and mixed it in soil. This is aloe vera gel, fresh aloe vera gel. After that, I added small pieces of fresh aloe vera. Aloe vera is known for its powerful natural growth properties, helping plants grow stronger and healthier. And now I rub aloe vera gel on citrus fruit softly. I rub it friendly and then I rub it back. Now I add aloe vera gel in soil and other ingredients. Next, I prepared the citrus fruit. I gently peeled fresh aloe vera and rubbed it gel on the top where the stem once was and also on the back side of the fruit. Finally, I placed the citrus fruit into the prepared soil and watered it lightly. I create a warm and protected environment. I covered the pot with a plastic jar, allowing the plant to grow softly inside, and then I waited. 12 days later, something beautiful happened. Tiny green shoots started to appear. Fresh, healthy leaves were growing, shining with a bright green color. Even without removing the plastic cover, I could already see the life growing inside. When I finally lifted the plastic jar, I saw a beautiful young citrus plant with vibrant green leaves. It was an amazing moment. Nature had done its magic. Days passed, and after 30 days, something even more wonderful happened. The plant started blooming. Small, delicate white flowers appear. Seeing these tiny blooms felt incredibly rewarding. From a simple fruit and a little care, a beautiful plant had come into life. Nature truly creates miracles when we nurture it with patience and love.